Today we will talk about the K790 Super N excavator. We have here some nice pictures in Dunbar, Vancouver, British Columbia on the sewer, water and road upgrades. Now in the show Mega Machines and Construction. So you will see this beautiful excavator from K790, very agile, very fast, very good for works, very easy to handle. You see some very nice stand-in pictures, you can see a lot of details. It's one of the best excavators worldwide this size, easy to handle, fast, you can connect basically all pieces you want. So if you want to enjoy it, thank you for subscribing, and think about excavators K790N.